Welcome back to Tube4U. My name is Arpit. In today's video, we're going to explore an exciting topic that many aspiring entrepreneurs dream about: how to transition from a side hustle to a full-time gig and make money online. If you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind and want to pursue your passion while earning a sustainable income, this video is for you. So, let's dive in. Assessing your side hustle. The first step in turning your side hustle into a full-time gig is to assess its potential. Take some time to evaluate the demand for your product or service, analyze your target market, and identify any gaps you can fill. It's crucial to ensure there's a viable market for what you're offering before taking the leap. Building a solid foundation. Building a solid foundation is essential for long-term success. Start by defining your business goals and creating a detailed business plan. Establish your brand identity and develop a compelling online presence through a website and social media channels. Focus on building a strong network and nurturing relationships with potential clients or customers. Scaling up and diversifying. Once your side hustle starts gaining traction, it's time to scale up and diversify your income streams. Explore different avenues to generate revenue, such as creating digital products, offering consulting services, or launching online courses. Remember, diversification reduces risk and provides stability. Managing finances and budgeting. As you transition to a full-time gig, it's crucial to manage your finances effectively. Set up separate business accounts, track your income and expenses diligently, and create a budget that aligns with your goals. Don't forget to set aside funds for taxes and invest in tools or resources that can help streamline your business operations. Marketing and promotion. Marketing and promotion play a crucial role in expanding your reach and attracting clients or customers. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy, utilize social media platforms, collaborate with influencers, and leverage the power of content marketing to establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Time management and work-life balance. As you transition into full-time entrepreneurship, maintaining a healthy work-life balance becomes even more important. Learn to prioritize tasks, delegate when necessary, and establish boundaries to prevent burnout. Remember, success is not just about making money, it's about enjoying the journey and maintaining a fulfilling lifestyle. Congratulations! You've learned the key steps to turn your side hustle into a full-time gig and make money online. Remember, it takes dedication, perseverance, and a strategic approach to achieve your goals. With the right mindset and consistent effort, you can create a thriving online business that allows you to quit your job and live life on your terms. So, are you ready to take the leap? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. And as always, feel free to share your own experiences and tips in the comments section. Until next time, keep hustling and chasing your dreams.